8. What are some common techniques used to evaluate the performance of large language models LLM, and how do they measure the model's abilities? Answer: assessing the effectiveness of large language models LLM is crucial to understanding their strengths and weaknesses. One popular technique used to evaluate the accuracy of a language model's predictions is perplexity. Perplexity measures how well the model can anticipate the subsequent word in a sequence, with low scores indicating higher performance. This is because a model that can accurately predict the next word in a sequence is likely to be more accurate in its overall language understanding. Another technique used to evaluate LLM is the Blue Bilingual Evaluation Understudy Score. The Blue score assesses the quality of machine-generated content by evaluating word choice, word order, and fluency. It does this by comparing the produced text with human reference translations. The Blue score is calculated by comparing the machine-generated text with the reference translations and calculating the percentage of matching words, phrases, and sentences. The higher the Blue score, the more similar the machine-generated text is to the human reference translations. Human raters also assess the results for coherence, relevance, and factual accuracy. This involves evaluating the machine-generated text for its overall meaning, relevance to the topic, and accuracy of the information presented. This assessment is important because it provides a more subjective evaluation of the LLM performance, taking into account factors that are difficult to quantify, such as tone, style, and nuance. Overall, evaluating the performance of LLM using techniques like perplexity and Blue scores provides valuable insights into the model's abilities and limitations. By understanding how well a model can generate coherent and accurate text, developers can refine the models and improve their performance over time.